إنما أنت أيام فإذا ذهب يوم ذهب بعدك. हसन बसरी कहते थे, या बना आदम, ए आदम की औलाद, तू कुछ दिन है, जब एक दिन चला गया, a part of you is gone. So when you are in afiyat, worship Allah as much as you can. Plan and set a vision as much as possible. Ideal circumstances will never come in your letterbox. You will have to engineer them to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Allah ki madad se. You will have to do it. Ihris ala ma yanfa'uk. Seek what is beneficial for you. Wastain billah, और अल्लाह की मदद हासिल करें. वला ta'jiz, and don't give up. और जब कुछ हो जाए जो आपके प्लान के मुताबिक नहीं था, कहें क़द्दर अल्लाह मा शाअ फ़अल, and don't say if and but. So somebody is in the hospital right now who is begging God for the time you have, for the health you have, for the opportunities you have, for the life you have. Go and grab it. Don't wait.